changing the background color of the workspace. Now, in the last video, we looked at how to change this, but in this one, we'll go further by learning how to change the background. So for background, to change this, you go to project, then from project, you go down to properties. And on properties, you go to general. Then in general, you have selection color. Let's say if there is any of them that is selected, like any of this that is selected, this color will relate there. But what we're interested in here is the background color. So we want the background color to be black. So we select black and we click on OK. So our background has been changed to black. So this is how you change background of your map area in QGIS.